Hey, what's going on, guys? I recently just purchased an Apple MacBook Air because I wanted to learn how to make and edit videos using iMovie. The reason why I bought it, for one, was the price. It's only $999. I had the extra cash, so why not? Before we get into this video, I want to take a little time to talk about the pros and cons that I've seen while owning my MacBook Air. What I've seen, it has great color range. The color range is 2560 by 1600 resolution, which is great for making videos like the one you see today. And also for gaming. I'm not all into games like that, but hey, why not? The only con that I've seen is the battery. It drains the battery very quickly when it's not plugged in, which is not the problem for me because most of the time when I'm working on my videos, I'm at home and it's plugged in. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So we're going to ahead first open up this Amazon box. You might get a 2-for-1 special because I ordered some earrings too, some little Bryson Tiller joints. Damn, there go the new Mac computer. Let's get into unwrapping the MacBook. So we're going to go ahead and take, we have this little flap right here. It comes with a little flap. So we're going to take this flap off and undo the plastic. Okay. Feels smooth. I'm going to give you the feel of vision. Feels very smooth. Okay. So bam, take this off, and then, ooh, comes with plastic around here. And what a time, my dingy. And here's the MacBook, and then it comes with a little instruction booklet. I like how the instruction booklet is small, then a charger cord, well, a adapter. I forgot the words to it. Excuse me, forgive me. And then we have the adapter. So, yes. Go ahead and open it up for the first time. Let's see what happens. We're gonna, oh, hold on, man. I'm doing this with one hand. Forgive me. Alright guys, this concludes my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.